Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Wagala Mal. In case you're new guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming here every day to watch my video. So guys, if it's your first time to come across my video, just subscribe. Don't look for the subscribers, guys. So guys, I'm coming live from the village. You can see this is really village. Even the house, just village, guys. So today I want to cook the most appetizing food in the village. So I want to cook ndengu. This is ndengu. I can see this green gram pods, guys. You see this good one. Wow, guys. So I want to cook ndengu with rice. So if you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Let me know what's happening in this video. Yeah. So this ndengu is called green grams. So I'm going to start cook green grams. Yeah. So I want to check if there's dirt inside. So guys, let's check together. So guys, you can see this here is my ndengu now. My green. So ndengu is a Kiswahili word. In English, it's called green grams. So guys, you can see this is my green grams. So my green grams is ready. So let me wash it. Then I'll start cooking, guys. So guys, here in the village we normally cook using 3 stones and firewood. So my ndengu is ready now. I want to cook it now. So guys, I'm going to put this layer. Need to put here water first. So guys, so we here in the village, this is how we are cooking our green grams, just traditionally. So we are boiling it with water first. Guys, now I'm going to cover my ndengu for 20 minutes, then it will be ready. Yeah. Okay guys, so 20 minutes is over now. So let me check if my green gram is ready. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I need to test. Wow, guys. So my ndengu is ready. So now I'm not going to fry it now. I'm going to cook rice first, then I'll fry it later. So let me remove it from fire. Guys, now I want to prepare my rice here. So my rice is clean, so let's wash it first. Because this is how we are washing our rice here in the village, like this. So guys, now I want to prepare my rice here. So I'm going to wait until this water boils. Then I'll add there my rice. So let me cover it for 5 minutes. So guys, our water is ready now. You can see. So I'm going to add a little oil. I'm adding salt to taste. Then this is my masala. So I'm going to add this pilau masala 1 spoon. So this is how it looks like. Then finally, the last thing, I'm going to add my rice now. Okay, so this is traditional way of cooking rice with ndengu. So I'm going to cover this rice for 20 minutes. Then we'll check if it's ready. So guys, you can see how it looks like. You can try it in your village. guys, now I want to check if my rice is ready. Wow, guys, look at this. So, guys, I think it's ready. Wow. So, guys, our rice is ready. So, let me fry our dengu now. You can see how my rice looks like. This village way of cooking rice. You can try it. Guys, now I want to fry. So I'm going to put here oil. I think it's enough. So guys, this traditional way of frying green grams in the village. So I'm going to add salt to taste, guys. So I'm not putting here tomato. So I'm just frying it with onion. So guys, now I'm going to add my dengu. So guys, this is our traditional dengu. This is the way of cooking dengu in the village. Now I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes, then I'll check if it's ready. So you can see this how it looks like, guys. So guys, let me check if my dengu is. Wow, guys, so this thing green grams in the village. So just no tomatoes, just onion, guys, with oil and salt. So now let's go and enjoy our lunch. So guys, so this is our rice now. So guys, this is just a village way of cooking rice and dengu. So let's enjoy our lunch here, guys. Yes. It's nice. Oh my God, guys, this lunch is so delicious. You can try it. Wow. So let me eat it again. So guys, this rice and green corn is so delicious. Wow. Okay guys, so if you like this video, let me know, drop a comment down there. Let me know what's your opinion on this video and which video do you want me to do next. It's your girl Ama. Let's say bye. Bye.